Greetings for special days. These are special words we use to share joy on important occasions. Today we learn three main greetings: Merry Christmas, Happy Birthday, and Congratulations. Why learn special greetings? They help us connect with people emotionally. Special greetings show we care about important moments in someone's life, like birthdays, holidays, and achievements. Saying happy birthday makes someone feel remembered and loved. Merry Christmas. This greeting is used during Christmas season to wish happiness and joy. It shows warmth and goodwill to family and friends. For example, Merry Christmas. Hope you have a joyful holiday with your family. Happy birthday. We say this on someone's birthday to celebrate the day they were born. It shows love and celebration for their life. For example, happy birthday. Wishing you love, laughter, and a wonderful year ahead. Congratulations. We use this when someone achieves success or reaches an important goal. It shows we recognize their hard work. For example, congratulations on your new job. You deserve all the success. Polite ways to say congratulations. Besides congratulations, we can say well done on your success, I'm so happy for you, you really earned it, or hats off to your achievement. These sound natural and friendly in everyday English. Using greetings in conversation. Say special greetings with genuine emotion and eye contact. Use them in person, on phone, texts, or cards. Pro tip, add the person's name to make it personal. Happy birthday, Sarah sounds much warmer. Practice your greetings. Now say these greetings out loud with confidence and a warm smile. Practice Merry Christmas, Happy Birthday, Congratulations. Try different emotions and volumes to sound natural.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.